Synthetic division is what we're going to focus on now. And synthetic division is a simpler process for dividing a polynomial, which is many terms, which is two terms, but there are limitations. In order to use synthetic division, the divisor must be in the form of x minus some number or x plus some number. Is that the dividend? What is being divided must be in standard form. That means is it means that the highest exponent first, then the next highest exponent, and the next highest exponent, and so forth. And you need to put in zeros for any missing powers. So squared terms, so you've got, and we'll see it in the examples here in a couple of minutes. But if you're missing a term, we need to put a placeholder of a 0 in for that. So let's take a look at how to use synthetic division or how to actually synthetically divide. And again, I call synthetic division shortcut division, the remainder in simple fraction form. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to, with an upside down division bar. And if you're taking notes on notebook paper, make sure that you leave 2 lines of notebook paper for your long division part. What we're going to have is we're going to have 5, the number in front of the x cubed term, minus 2, the number in front of the x squared term, plus the number in front of the x, plus 2. And we're going to divide by x minus 4. But if you watch the video on long division, I was always change both signs. So what's going to happen is, because this is x minus 4, we're going to use, so since it's x minus 4, we would write 4 out there. If it happened to be x plus 4 that we were dividing by, then we would write minus 4. We change. What happens is we bring down our first term. Multiply. It's 4 times 5. Positive 4 times positive 5 is positive 20. 20 is 18. 4 times 18, it's positive 4 times positive 18, which is positive 72. And positive 5 plus positive 72 is positive 77. And then 4 times 77, sorry, I have to type that in, is 308. It was positive 4 times positive 77, so it's positive 308. And when we add these two together, we get back into the problem. Well, again, what I said is synthetic division is limited because we're dividing by x. So if we take the highest degree term, which is x by x, that's going to give us the answer of our quotient. So we get 5x squared. Again, don't have a lot of space, but x cubed, x gives x squared. And then we descend. So the next one becomes 18x plus 77. And then the last term here is our remainder over what we're dividing by is x minus 4. And down here it says, is the divisor a factor? Remainder? No, the divisor is not a factor. Let me be a little bit more specific here on problem number 2, because I didn't really go back and talk about the 4x minus 12. That's standard form. We started with the highest degree term and then we kept descending down. We're dividing in the format of x plus a or x minus a. So our divisor is in the proper form. And when we set this up, again, upside down division, number in front of the x fourth is 1. Number in front of the x cubed is 2. Number in front of the x squared is 1. Number in front of the x, divide, it's x plus 2. So we're going to change that sign. And and we're going to bring down this term. So it's negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6. And negative 2 times 12 is 0. So once we do this division, then what's going to happen is we need to take x to the fourth divided by x. That's going to tell us what the degree of our answer is, which in worst case scenario here, x divided by x gives us x cubed. So this is plus 0x squared plus 1x minus 6. Here, when we divided, we do not have a remainder. Probably this is x cubed plus x minus 6. And is this divisor a factor? Because we do not have a remainder, this is a factor.